I won't vote for. Even the P2B where we stand with, they stand again. P2B don't tire. Before P2B, they go Pope, burial. Who invite them? The very dark man who go say move vote. If they give hand job, may no go the massage economy. Economy go on left.
Had a show in the hotel, trust me, he had 6,000 persons who came to watch him. I was live at the show, and at this cloth I also wear. So I know what I'm fucking talking about. He shut it down in London in a couple of months. This guy is funny, he's spontaneous, he's witty, he's hilarious, and he's everything they have to do with comedy. Benin City, if you love good comedy, make some noise for MC Monica! I need to hail him. If they follow me go Europe next month, may you not go disappoint me.
All right, DJ. Uniben, still now vice president. Now a comedian. So if you did school now, they learn dancing, no work again. DJ, see small picking they do show you, they smoke. Person where you supposed they go in child education, they smoke. Smoking DJ. When you make she go punish you, I think say fun for now orphan before. For Lagos, they answer Papa. See your papa wear earring, come your show. I don't know what they form. Sexy father, be waiting. Until they beat you without your earring. SOS. See the time when they call me, it can't be like say they do audition. And now students full here. People will not know whether they will graduate. Now I can't impress. Me, when my result no good, you think I'm happy. You know, say when they grow up, when they want right jump, you go think say the only medical doctor, engineering and lawyer, 9 days. Now when you see your jam score, you score 120. Now you go come they call your friend, I beg, which course 120 feet do? Now wait till make some people study library science, animal husbandry, fine art. You just want to go school. If you day school now, leave that nonsense. Some women they here now, nobody say they like comedy, they just want to monitor their husband. As they hear say Uniben student, you know they here now sleep, they catch you, they do. Your husband, they shy eye, they do like, you go get epilepsy, yeah. You go regret your life, you go cry. Sleep. Every time I dey monitor man. Now why I don't want to enter relationship? Now question food that thing. Baby, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Video call me. And with my maker, if I dey perform on and sit down, anybody will live here, they go rob them. For small folk, when they rush, you go come quick. Daddy, this one where you wear native like PDP shaman. You go decamp for outside though. Bro, the way that they decamp for this comment, fun for you. Tell me, say when you go call me, crowd go full. Now crowd with these people are stranded people. All these people, Uniben, the boss way fun for break to carry on, I don't spoil. So if I get here, if you see who you like, approach them. Now no be time to form. Just meet a nigga. Man, very cheap. If you ask her, what's your G-spot? She could just say, touch my nipple. Man, what's your G-spot? Anywhere you touch me, I don't rise. Fuck, man, just fool our body. We are always on. Jesus. Men, the honey die. Now, so we go bury her for Ogun State. They say, more Wakaran cops. One Akwa Ibom man, Akpabi your cousin. As he they pass, prick, they stand for dead body. Now, me tap the guy, say, the woman don't die. You. He say, he never too decay now. Say, the way the tissue, the woman knows they turn them on. Tissue. You know, get what men noted. God. Nothing, guess, You get one girl when I do my show last week, last 2 weeks for a hotel. One girl regret her life, man. I send her money to come meet me for a jar from First Tag. She shop up. I request for usher. They send usher for me. She follow the usher as they come. Up and grateful, Lord. And now the girl be chief usher. She just come meet me. Sir, what is our duty? I said, just wait for me in my hotel. What God cannot do? The way I take knock that girl, she don't go do usher again. Now she they do POS. Because she know if he stand again. If you are a student here, copy you, do Expo, day Bible. Bible say, copy to show yourself approved. Study with. They study for Nigeria. You know, yesterday na P2B manifesto, Tinubu use win. This country self, they copied it. Copy no be Expo. Lecturers, they copy. But they call her reference. Now why if I they do Expo, lecturer won't catch me, I say, sir, I reference from casino. They do Expo. Country, this country. Now, self, they say if you no vote, 2 years imprisonment. 2027, meet me in prison. All of us prison boys. Who I won't vote for? Even the P2B where we stand with, no, they stand again. P2B don't tire. Before P2B, they go Pope, burial. Who invite them? The very dark man who go say move vote. If they give her job, may no go the massage economy. Economy go on left. Bro, if you want to call me out, may call me out. After I never marry, I never be casino where they shit. So wait till they want to see for my butt. All these married men, nobody shit rich married men. And now there they post their wife pass. Any married man where they post his wife, they write my lovely wife. He they shit. Is a true. The girl when they sleep, they can't comment, nice couple. The wife will come answer her, my daughter. Which daughter? Now your colleague. Now all of them they all block us. Now the girl they even so your wife know they see this thing, they know they shave you where. God. For Lagos, everybody don't sleep with each other. If you just post girl for WhatsApp, you go, you know her. Bro, now the big man I was pass. If you just post girl here, pass and give me. I asked one big man, I be look at Modric. Pass waiting. Person daughter man pass and give you. I no go perform for this recrest again. It's a recrest place. I carry one girl for recrest. She thief my belt. Which way do you want to use belt to do? And I scared she wear what? Oh man, now everything on the thief. The girl stole my belt. Photographer, you resemble now your sister. Bro, if you are shower here and you then stranded, man to forget this joke. Person don't get who you want sleep it. As I they perform, my eye they go round. They go round. And some girls say they you go to say how no hold them. Anonymous deal. Some men know they ever they walk out with their girl. They front and they back, they observe you. Now for us I go no say people they walk out together. As girl they front, go see one guy just they, oh boy, do fast now, they wait for you now. Hotel don't fool for this Bini. Where they lodge us. If you see soundtrack, ewo, 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 ewo. I go the door, join them. Ewo. Since Niger Delta praise night they do for room, all of us do. Where from for Papa? From for your father na ingrate, no transfer any money giver. You now send this young boy. This boy they do comedy, family they happy. When casino they start comedy, you know the beat. You even can't get comedy father. Where they wear nose ring. Who even tell you say nose ring fitter? Bitch. If na Lagos, they would don't sleep with them. SOS, I will declare you an enemy of the society. You are a comrade. I not say they like me. It's not replant. The way if one food there for this stage, I'll be like saying an orphanage banner they do for I don't understand. You there for thinking. People fool your show, you there for thinking. Young boy like you, 18 years, you don't sell out here. Some people, now, comedy industry is under attack. Skits makers, they won't kill us. If you just crack joke, they go use a shoe skit. Come answer track. 70 years old. They will come tag you for your joke. How you see her? I go lie for you. Now skit maker be that. Because of Facebook monetization. Some girls, you date Uniben. Date your cosmate, you know, agree. You do date who they Ghana, they bomb. And those boys where they Ghana, konji. Because you never pick, you know, if you carry a shovel for Ghana. For hostel where you date, people they sleep. 12 in the midnight, small girl, year one. You don't they do, take the camera down, take the camera down. Your CGPA, they go down, you won't come. Your Totona, they Ghana, they share them. Take. See my girl, use a masturbate. See my girl. Oh boy, you draw me. Now stand fine out, I read. If you draw me, I'll draw you back. Say, go send me your picture, man, I'll draw too. All these things what they do, you don't format, don't cast. I know they come out for anything. If you go my house now, picture. If I die now, I get posters. Waiting the funny again. Sex. We love you. This idiot where they can't hear me for Bini. I go one comedy club for Lagos. He can't perform. You go withdraw the joke for Bini. Go Lagos. Go funny. They see us there. This one way fat. As they perform, they record them. You go as they rehearse them. He reach Lagos. They tell us, say, bro, you are killing it. I say, you know the key. Now withdrawal syndrome. He carry on from somewhere. Before, if they like girl, for this Nigeria, just sabi sing. That time we P Square they did together. And they miss you die. And they beg you, make you try to understand. There's no one like you. And I wonder why. See the way this girl they look me. I notice sabi sing go. Ifunanya onye mbunobi nebi. But now, just ask her, what's your love language? Just give me my nonsense. The one where they vest me past. Now I go dress up in front of camera, come wear cloth, come outside. Get ready with me as I go to class to read. But you don't dress for our front. And we go wash her now. Man, mad. See people where they dance. Just for content. Leaders of tomorrow, all the leaders of tomorrow now are content creators. Country, they spoil everybody, they do. How they want to monetize my Facebook? How they want to monetize my Facebook? We go soon get money for this country. Bag of rice will be 800,000. We need to protest. For National Assembly, they look the only thing where they go talk about. They want ban blue film. The hope of a common man. Bro, are we leaving this thing to slide? God go punish Akpabio. How you go ban blue film? Men, they suffer because our own guess now. If man know they get dido, they get vibrator, they do lesbian. Men. Ebony stepmom. Brother is free. You know the joy. Only you just up. But the worst thing about that blue film, if they catch you where you they masturbate, you go just they lose stupid. It's my first time. Guy. Bro, people they say Rema, Albon, no sweet. If you use Ozeba masturbate. Ozeba. Guy. You go just be like say they sleep with our star. Ozeba. Guy. Masturbation is the way. No girl go fit chop my transport too. If I call you, no, they're available. There's one mirror in my room. So I just did there. I talk to myself. I'm a spec. I'm beautiful. Nothing dies in my hand. If your prick don't respond, you get infection.